Hey there, have you ever dreamed of designing your own product or your own shoes? Well, this course is for you. If you're like I was a few years ago, you probably have a lot of renderings, a lot of things in your portfolio, but nothing physical, nothing that you can bring to an interview, just files on your laptop. By the end of this course, you'll have something designed by you, wearable, printable, and presentable. So what's inside the course? First, we'll be starting with a mood board, a very simple mood board that will help guide us throughout the entire design process. We'll be coming up with some sketch ideations where we'll be iterating through a bunch of different design directions based on our mood board, and we'll be going through those in a 2D format using Procreate on iPad. Next, I'll be showing you how to shape and modify your last based on your foot, or just get general measurements to create a last that you know will fit your foot. After that, I'm going to show you how to design your shoe in Blender using the designs that we created in the previous chapters. And then once your model is done in Blender, I'm going to show you how to make it ready for 3D printing. From there, we're going to jump into a slicing program, and I can show you how to properly prepare your model so that it's not only printable, but also wearable. And we'll also be talking about recommended materials and printing processes that are available to you so you can have your own shoe that's wearable. By the end of this course, you're going to have a prototype that is designed by you with your logo and maybe something that you can use for your own personal brand. In this course, you're going to be following a clear, proven process that takes you all the way from sketch to, in this case, foot. Hi, my name is Jaron Dorman, and you may have seen my work on Lemonoosh, which I'm really proud to share. But what you may not know is I've also worked with brands like Oakley, Lemonoosh, Von Holtzhausen, Dell, and more. And I'm really excited to take the knowledge that I've accumulated over all of my years of experience and bring it into this one course, into a repeatable process that you can use in your own work. In this course, I use Blender to create the shoe, but if you're more comfortable in programs like Rhino or Maya, that's totally fine. The same principles will apply as well. You may have noticed those hyper-realistic renderings of the shoe on this page, which were actually created digitally in Blender. We've actually decided to include a bonus chapter where we'll show you how to create your own professional looking renderings just like those that you can add into your portfolio, share on your social media, or do whatever you want with them. I also want to say that if you want to boost your Blender skills, there are also other courses on Lemonoosh, like Essentials for Blender or the Parametric Mastery course. Whether you're just starting out or you're finally ready to build something real, this course gives you everything you need to finally bring your ideas to life. Let's make something real, join the course, and I'll see you inside.